We are back again at Jetworks. It's been many months later, 6 months plus, I really don't even know. But we are back here. There's a new location, new shop, and we are here with the ski. So, little transformation. Remember guys, it was blue, and I'll show you right now how it looks like. It has that cocaine white.
Nice.
But it's a pearl green done to it. And we're finally coming up to the stage of doing more upgrades. Like I mentioned to you guys before, we did the bolt-ons, we did the dual valve springs, the Super Tech springs, ported and polished the intake manifold, fizzle intercooler, titanium exhaust with the tile blow-off valve. And this is the original SHO Supercharger. And I'm gonna show you what a comparison of it is. This is what I have in the ski right now. Yes, they are made by HKS, if you guys didn't know. SHOs have a 5-blade. SVHOs have a 6-blade. And this is a 60-62 for comparison. They actually are pretty similar in size, but obviously bigger. Bigger is more better. But we are doing another Supercharger off that ski, off of that FZR. But it's a bigger wheel than this. So still same Supercharger, but with a larger wheel from Danny's personal ski. And hopefully I don't get demonetized. But we're doing the ID1000s, the fuel system, everything we're being swapped over onto my ski. So here we go. All right, so we finally pulled the Supercharger off the FZR, and so you guys can see the difference. But if you look at it, it's ported and it has stamped in there. Maybe the light made it worse. ET17 wheel, and it is ported on the inside as well. So hopefully we get some more power out of this sucker. More power, baby. Even though, who cares about what the outside looks like? Even though this is nice, new, slow, faster, faster. That's the one. And it has an additional oil feed line for more lube. You know, you need all the lube.
That's what she said.
Right, Danny? We need all the lube. Been tearing at it nonstop. I'll show you what else we have done right now. Believe it or not, this has been the longest process of it all. Moving the dang fuel hat off the fuel tank. That literally took so long, but got it done on both skis out of there. And I'll show you the differences between them. This is the one that we actually are gonna be utilizing. Don't mind the color. Colors don't matter around here. We're not racist. But already has an upgraded pump that's new. Has a blocked off regulator in there, which you can see the regulator still OEM over here. But bigger pump, blocked off regulator, because we have a return style fuel system that's gonna be going in. She is going in, Danny. Put her in the hole, bro. Oh, yeah.
What the hell is even that?
Damn, bro. She's in there like swimwear. Got that extra lubrication line, bro.
I can't get it on straight.
Can't put it in straight. Bro, this whole video, everybody's gonna think you're a freaking pervert.
I am a pervert. You like it though, that's why you come here all the time.
Gay! Don't tempt me with a good time.
I'm good with my fingers in tight spots.
That's what your wife says all the time? Where'd you learn how to do that, Danny?
Yeah. Shit, I did.
No eyes, bro. Look at that. No eyes. Don't even need to look at it, bro.
All I feel.
Got the extra lubrication line. I do have the 10. Always got the 10 somewhere. Actually, you have the 10.
No, you have it.
No. You put it over here. There it is. Told you.
Oh, it's an 11. I told you it was an 11.
Oh, I actually do have the 10.
No, that's the 10. That's the 11? No, I need the 11.
You just said you had the 11.
I need the 10. Now I
Oh
need the
my
11.
God. So much room for activities in here, bro. Missing the turbo.
You ain't about that life yet.
Not yet.
We got a bunch of them in house.
I'll deal. Yeah, we do got an extra turbo over there.
Alright, so now we just need the injectors. You did the...
It's on the
3-bar
ultrasonic cleaner, by the way.
3-bar map, and then just...
Yeah, 3 map sensors in.
I gotta figure out what prop you're gonna need for this.
All the prop, bro. Finishing touches. Can you put it in the hole, bro? Damn. Charge straps to you, bro. It can't be that hard to put it in the hole. Oh, yeah? Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Push.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta loosen this thing up.
I'm telling you, bro. The intercooler was... I
Jesus,
tightened
you
it.
put that thing on tight.
That's what she said.
You gave it the yeah, brother. Snap-on and Harbor Freight.
Bro, best combo ever. Snap-on and Harbor Freight. Anybody that knocks it, they don't know what they're talking about. Bro, little do they know, Harbor Freight is going to be putting this engine back together.
Not really. Maybe. It's classified.
Do like a Harbor Freight engine assembly video. Probably go viral.
Probably.
You put it in the hole yet? Oh my goodness.
Not bad tools.
No, they're not bad. I went to a freaking Seaman that PRI. They Harbor Freight had a whole section. Did you put it in the hole yet?
I think that's all the... Oh.
I heard it, a little pop. I heard the cherry pop. Shove it in there, bro.
Got the man hands.
Is it in there?
I think. No, this coupler's a little tight. I gotta loosen it up so I can slide it in more.
The clamp?
The clamp.
Starting, bro. Let's start this thing.
Do you think it'll actually start though and run?
I don't know. Has a 3-bar map sensor, larger injectors, larger supercharger, a return style fuel system. Kind of.
Nah.
With no tune? Doubt it.
Tune's up next.
It'll be next sometime. Anybody wondering what that humming sound is? It's the bilge pump. Oh, we didn't put the ECU cover back on.
Who needs the ECU?
Overrated.
Weight reduction.
Let us know what you guys think is gonna be the top speed on this thing. As long as it's somewhere in the 80s. What do you think, Danny?
I'm gonna say 82.
Damn, this thing looks fuzzy. Damn, much better. 82, you saying?
Yeah, I think 82.
We're gonna change the impeller to a 1522.
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying it. You don't share that information. How dare you? You gotta delete that video now.
It'll be all right. 1522. This is the impeller that we're gonna do on this thing. I don't know. Dynafly. Yep. What is stock? Do you know what the pitch is on these things stock?
I have no idea.
Nobody knows. It's a mystery from Yamaha. But we're gonna be doing a Solus Dynafly 1522. So there's apparently Solus makes a Dynafly and a Concord. But we're doing the Dynafly.
Concord's better for a
Whole shot.
The Dynafly's better.
We're looking for some top speed. So
And better acceleration.
we don't care about acceleration. We want to go fast. Ricky Bobby, bro. If you ain't first, you're last, bro. I got to beat somebody's jet ski, and I'll show you whose jet ski that is. So one of the skis that I'm trying to beat is this one. Eventually, I'm pretty sure he's still going to outrun me. Just because it has...
Bro, you're not gonna outrun that one.
Probably not. I'm just on hopes and dreams, bro. Hopes and dreams.
You're never gonna outrun that one.
I'll show you
Your
guys.
brother's gonna own you.
What did you say? What was the last part?
Your brother's gonna own you.
Jesus Christ.
Hopes and dreams.
Right here. This is hopes and dreams.
That's what you should do.
It has a 6266. This has a hack turbo kit from Australia. And with Danny's built engine. What's done to the engine, Danny?
I'm sorry?
What's going to be done to this engine?
It's sleeved with LA sleeves. It's got CP Corella rods and piston.
NA cam.
NA cams, springs, retainers. You know, just the basics.
Just a basic and ARP head studs.
Yeah, ARP, everything.
So
It's gonna be a fun one.
built motor, 6266, 1650 cc injectors, fuel tech. It has a fuel tech on it. This is one day hoping to beat this. This is my older brother. I'm the youngest. So my older brother has this ski. And then, of course, there's another jet ski back here that is a lovely Sea-Doo, cough, cough, AJ. That one to be smoking. By the time this video drops, he probably doesn't watch my YouTube channel, so he probably doesn't even know I did these upgrades. So when I catch him on the water, he's not even gonna know what's gonna hit him. Danny, don't tell him, bro.
I'm not gonna say anything.
Don't tell him. That wraps it up for today. We gotta tune the jet ski, test it on the water, see where our air fuel ratio is, our RPMs are at, and we are gonna go from there. Thank you again to Danny at JetWorks. If you guys have any jet ski, jet boats, anything with the jet in it,
As long as it's a Yamaha. It's gotta be a Yamaha.
hit that guy up.
Yamaha, Sea-Doo, Kawasaki, whatever.
Sea-Doo Sparks are the best jet ski in the world.
Oh god, in the video.
Anyways, thank you guys. Catch you on the next one.